This is how you can create a simple dynamic bar chart that changes when you select different month of the year from the pull down menu. So let's start off by creating the pull down menu. Select this cell here. Make sure you're in data validation, and then from the allow, you're going to select list. And the source will be the month from A16 all the way down to A87 and hit apply. What this does is that it creates a pull down menu here for you. As you can see, you have all the months here. I'm going to select a month like this. Next, we're going to create a filtered table here. The formula will be equal filter. And the first argument on the filter would be the whole data set for a console sale. I'm going to go all the way up there. The second argument will be a condition. So basically, you're looking for the month. So it's going to be A16 all the way down to A87 like this. And since this is going to be a condition, we're going to say equal to this cell here when you select the month. And then the second one will be for empty. You're gonna leave it blank like this and hit enter. This should create a table like that for you. And if you try it out, you can see that table should change accordingly depending on what month you select. Next, we're going to insert a bar chart. Select the filtered table, console, and sale column like this. And after that, go insert. And from this insert chart pull down, you're going to select clustered bar like this. And this should draw a chart for you based on these two columns here. And then after that, let's reposition this somewhere at the center here nicely like this. And then start making edits to the bar chart like this. Now every time you make changes to the month of the year like this, the bar chart will dynamically get updated based on the filtered dataset that you previously created.